Is it time to buy or sell Enphase stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Enphase. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 14th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 2nd of April, 2025, our system has classified Enphase as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.84. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. The stock has faced a decline of 12.75%. This equates to an average daily loss of 1.42% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently situated within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential declines. The present 3-month trend suggests a possible decrease of approximately 12% over the upcoming 3 months, with potential returns ranging from a decline of 21% to a slight rise of 1%. Examining the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of nearly 50%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between a decline of 55% and a decrease of nearly 29% over the next year. In actual terms, this would place the future price between $24.39 and $38.81. Our latest daily update for Enphase includes the headline, "On Monday, Enphase stock price gained an impressive 5.13%. The Enphase stock price increased 5.13% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 14th of April, 2025, rising from $51.89 to $54.55. During that day, the stock fluctuated by 5.42%, with a low of $52.10 and a high of $54.92. Over this period, the price has shown volatility, and there has been a loss of 12.09% over the last 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased by 1 million shares on the last day, with a total of 3 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $161 million. It's important to consider that decreasing volume on rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $141.63, while the lowest price was $47.48. Currently, the price stands 61.48% or $87.08. Below the 52-week high, and 83.95% or $285.37. Below the all-time high recorded on the 5th of December, 2022, when the price peaked at $339.92. Enphase Energy continues to strengthen its position in the European battery storage market with the recent launch of its IQ Battery 5P with FlexPhase in Poland. This is part of a broader expansion strategy that has already seen success in Luxembourg, Germany, Austria, and Switzerland. The new battery system offers advanced features that meet various customer needs, including both single-phase and three-phase applications, thereby enhancing its appeal to homeowners seeking reliable backup power solutions. Moreover, the company's recent performance indicators suggest positive momentum. A recent report highlighted a 54% upside potential for Enphase stock, buoyed by strong revenue growth and increased profitability, as evidenced by a double beat in its latest earnings report. These factors bolster investor confidence, likely driving upward pressure on the stock price in the near term. In the long term, Enphase's geographical expansion, particularly into emerging markets like Vietnam and Malaysia, could further enhance its growth trajectory. However, investors should also remain aware of external challenges, such as ongoing legal issues related to a securities class action lawsuit, which could introduce volatility. Overall, the combination of new product offerings and strategic expansions positions Enphase favorably within the growing renewable energy sector, indicating strong potential for both short and long-term stock performance. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 26th of March 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned ENPH a negative rating following a downgrade action. On Friday, the 31st of January 2025, it was reported that Guggenheim assigned ENPH a neutral rating with an upgrade action. On Friday, the 8th of November 2024, it was reported that HSBC assigned ENPH a hold rating after a downgrade action. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October 2024, it was reported that Craig-Hallum assigned ENPH a buy rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned ENPH an equal weight rating with a hold action. Analysts have given Enphase stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. For return on investment, the analysts assign the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Enphase. There are mixed signals in the stock today. The Enphase stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this presents a more negative outlook for the stock. If the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $59.20. On the downside, the stock will find some support from the short-term average at $53.24. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall negative sentiment. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and so far, it has risen by 10.16%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Interestingly, volume decreased during the last trading day even as prices rose, which creates a divergence between volume and price and may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 5 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 9 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 9 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 137 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 139 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Enphase. Enphase finds support from accumulated volume at $54.13. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock is prone to significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.82 between its high and low, which translates to a change of 5.42%. In the past week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 11.51%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Enphase, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This key metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued, or it could suggest that investors anticipate significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 22nd of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 71 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can have a substantial influence on stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Enphase. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Enphase is at $57.33. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a consideration point for swing trading. On the downside, Enphase faces its first support level at $54.13. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Enphase from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 10th of March, 2025, Yang Mandi executed an insider sale of 1,319 shares of common stock. On the 7th of March, 2025, Rogers Thurman J. completed an insider sale of 100,000 shares of common stock. On the 1st of March, 2025, Kofindarman Badrinaranan conducted an insider sale of 4,830 shares of common stock. On the 1st of March, 2025, Kofindarman Badrinaranan conducted another insider sale of 5,924 shares of common stock. On the 1st of March, 2025, Kofindarman Badrinaranan executed yet another insider sale of 8,886 shares of common stock. Based on the most recent 100 insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 13.216. In total, insiders purchased 2,551,204 shares and sold 3,241,695 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Enphase stock a good buy? Enphase currently exhibits several negative indicators, leading us to believe that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have adjusted our evaluation of this stock from a strong sell to a sell candidate. After reviewing the volatility and trading patterns from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 15th of April, we anticipate Enphase to open lower by approximately $0.694, starting at $53.86. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.